Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect Webflow with the Google Recaptcha in 2026. So Recaptcha offers multiple integration paths for Webflow sites, from simple native implementation to advanced custom configurations. While Webflow provides built-in support for Recaptcha version 2, with drag and drop checkbox widgets, you can extend functionality through the apps like Basin, Forms for Invisible, V3 Scoring, and Code Embed for custom styling and triggers, or custom JavaScript for invisible. You can simply use the Google Captcha admin here, which is like basically where you can create your own captcha in Google and basically use this as your own gateway to make yourself the captcha or the reCAPTCHA, and then you can connect it directly with your site, but not really by installing an application or something, but instead by actually embedding the code. So this is what you should do. So you go here, go to add the section. Of course, if you'd like to add a section, so you could add a section, for example, here, and then in the section you could add embed code. So let's go here, embed, or normally the captcha should be next to a form, so usually here, so I'm going to add it, for example, here, and then you should drag this into this area, so it should be added within this area. Now I don't have the premium version, but you guys, if you do or don't, you need to actually get it, because you cannot add this one without really basically having the actual premium plan. So here the premium plan, $19, give you a custom code, which is the one that you are looking for. Simply all you need to do once you go through the steps between adding the label and basically choosing the version, adding your domain, and then submitting, they will give you a code which you will be simply pasting in the embed code section that you will have when you get the premium version. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.